You mentioned Dora metrics. For me, Dora metrics and SLOs are the two things I hear constantly when it comes to like measuring and making sure it stays within the guardrails. So could you explain those two concepts?
Yeah, so Dora metrics, they came from a book called Accelerate, and basically they studied a lot of software development teams and realized what make teams high performant, right? In terms of software delivery, not in like as a unit. And there are some things like the lead time to deployment, the mean time to failure rate, these
Recovery.
kind of things, right? There are 4 metrics that they condense this, how good you are as a software development team, right? So this is one thing.
Mm-hmm.
And then SLOs are a completely different thing, right? So as a team, imagine that you provide a chat system and you want to understand how good you are providing this chat system. And for that, you need to choose few metrics. Okay, I'm good at delivering my chat system if all my messages are delivered in less than 1 second, right? You choose one indicator and then you choose an objective to reach. I want to deliver 99% of all the messages in my platform in less than 1 second. Right? So first you choose an indicator, an SLI, service level indicator, and then you put an objective on top of it so you know how good you are delivering your software. Then, of course, you need to act if something goes below this threshold, and this is a way for teams to understand how good they are, right? So then this is what the difference is.
Okay, so it's one is Dora metrics would be more looking at the efficiency, effectiveness, high performance, and the other one is more concerned with actual value that we provide to the customers and that we ensure. But when you say 99% of the time, it means also that it's very high, right? The threshold.
I mean, yeah, it depends on your business, right? Some businesses, they require higher objectives. Some businesses, they require less, right? So it's a conversation that tech teams or product and tech teams, they can just set these numbers randomly, and they need to understand the business where they are operating in. For instance, at FreeNow, if you cannot order a taxi at 8 p.m. on a Friday or 9 p.m. on a Friday, there's a huge loss of revenue, right? So reliability is super important, especially at peak time. In other categories of software, maybe 1 minute of downtime at 8 p.m. is okay, right? So these kind of things, they already make you realize that it's a conversation that you need to have with business, and actually putting just 99 or 99.9 or whatever you want to do is as a cost, right? So people, they need to understand the trade-off between, okay, we want to be that good versus we need to pay for that.